Everybody, is back to the Mr. CEO. So on this day, I decided to call about 4 of my friends to come for dinner. The reason why I did this is because I want to rate myself through people. You can tell yourself that you can cook now, but you're not at a level that you can cook for people. Yeah, you can enjoy your food, but people don't. So I called 3 or 4 of my friends. I had Miki, Pego, Simonia, and PJ. So I'm excited to be calling these guys. They're gonna be tasting our food. It's just a dinner so that we just enjoy it. Stuffed chicken. That was like the main thing. Stuffed chicken. So I'm going to be putting what's this? Bacon, cheese, and veggies in the chicken. So the video is gonna be processed as usual. You see how I made it, and we just enjoy. So I'm gonna be just putting voiceover, so you did but apologies on the video. It was taken using Snapchat, so it's a different video on this one, but the content really shows, so please just enjoy the video. It's amazing, man.
So what are we gonna do now? Make you behave yourself.
So what I'm just doing was just filling the chicken, the breast chicken. We're gonna put some bacon, some fruits.
Ooh, okay.
Then you're gonna fry it. Then later on you put it in the oven.
Okay, okay. So basically I'm making stuffed chicken.
So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This chicken looks like
Wow. I'm definitely going to make this at home.
And I remember you refused to kiss me, but now you're using my toothbrush.
Leia.
Sorry?
Can you put like extra cheese in one? Like extra cheese. Like, oh my god, I love cheese. Oh!
But little tikudia.
Ooh.
You see what I do? Sometimes if you want it to be crunchy, you know what they do in KFC, you dip it in egg and break crunchy.
Yeah.
But today it's just gonna be naked, I guess.
Naked. Okay. So it's gonna be nice and juicy, not crunchy.
Yeah, I'm not putting a lot of spices.
Thank
Why? I was saying I'm not putting spices because I put this breast chicken in the morning in a tub of spices already, so the water, the spices went
Okay,
inside.
okay.
When you bite it, you can taste this.
You can taste the juiciness.
It's gonna be here just for like a couple of minutes.
So you fry it all.
Yeah.
So did you like watch like YouTube channels, or you just love cooking? Like,
Yeah.
how did you just like start it?
I started loving English. What made me love
Cooking?
cooking was watching my mom cooking.
Yeah.
Then There was a time when my mom moved. I was in upper six, form six? No, lower six. She moved to Mozambique. She was working there. So I was home by myself. So that's when I started just experimenting by myself. But growing up, I always, liked. Hey, no, man. So, bon appetit. So what we have obviously is stuffed chicken, pasta, and beans, obviously with potato salad. So let's enjoy.
Would you like some juice?
Yeah. I'm definitely stuffed. Just like really good meal prepared. Yes, man. But Sister Simone, she has finished everything, which is very good. We have also. Sorry, say that again. Sima.